I'm not usually a Halloween kind of person, but recently I've been getting into it. So imagine my delight when Craft Kitsune reached out to me and sent your girl some goodies. So let's get into it. Oh, and by the way, if you are digging this look, then make sure that you check out my previous video after this one. Hey guys, it's your girl Ayesha, and I'm excited because I have a brand spanking new craft subscription box to share with you. Now, I don't know what's inside. All I know is that it is Halloween themed. So let's crack open with the scissors and let's get in. I'm actually really quite not so much nervous. I'm just excited because I've never received a Craft Kitsune box before. Now the lovely Liz, thank you so much, darling. She reached out to me and she was like, girl, and I was like, girl. And she was like, girl, I want to send you a box because you're so good. Okay, she didn't actually say that, but like she was basically like, would you like to try out one of my boxes that I hand create myself? She does everything herself, okay? Now, doing a craft subscription service is difficult, all right? It's not easy. And the fact that she does it all by herself, like, I applaud her heavily. And I've always wanted to try out one of her kits. So I was very, very happy when she reached out to me. So here we go. I've got no idea what the box looks like. Oh, that's pretty. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. This is beautiful. Look at the box. Oh my gosh. And it's got Craft Kitsune on the front. Lovely. I will, of course, be leaving information in the description box below for you so you can go ahead and check this out afterwards. Oh my gosh. It's been a while since I've actually been in this setup for a craft unboxing, but I've just done my transformation video for this look and I was not about to go and reset. So you got some bling behind you today. The box feels full. Like it was literally like coming up like this. It is really, really full. Okay, so this is for the September box, I believe. And it just came yesterday. Yesterday was the 1st of October for me. So let's see, what do we have here? Oh my God, what is this? What mold is this? I believe she actually makes her own molds as well. I don't know if she makes all of them herself, but I know that she makes at least most of them. What is this? It actually has Craft Kitsune imprinted in the mold, so you know that she's done it. I'm so intrigued. What is this? It's like, it could be like, it looks like it could be a little like trick-or-treat bucket maybe, perhaps. I don't know. Well, I'm hoping that there's an instruction booklet inside. This is all a complete surprise to me, okay? And I know you guys love it when I get surprised. So I am very intrigued. Next, I can't believe how full up that this box is. It's unbelievable. Is this resin? Yes, so we have some clear UV resin, 25 grams, and a black pearl pigment. I have to say, I absolutely love the packaging on this. This is so, so cute. I love the little like sakura blossoms that are around it. Absolutely adorable. Man, I would love to do my own craft kit. I really, really, really would, but I don't know the first thing about doing something like this, like on your own, you know? Okay, next we have, what are you? What are you? Oh, we have super glue. Okay, thank you. I hope this super glue is going to be better than the super glue that I have because my super glue is rubbish. So I hope that this one's going to be better. I'm feeling a massive mold, but I'm going to save that for later. What's this? Oh, are these maybe little confetti bits maybe to go in like a shaker? Oh, yeah, I'm right. Oh, I love the clay sprinkles. Are those black cats? I love black cats. I love black cats. Oh my God. Okay, black cats mean a lot to me. Okay, those of you who know me personally will know already the reason why. Black cats mean an awful lot to me. Oh, this is perfect for me. Are they all different shapes or are they all the same shape? Okay, they're all the same shape. I've got to show you these. Oh my God, these are so cute. That is the diddiest little kitty ever. Oh my God, that is so cute. So cute. And it matches my ears. Oh my gosh. And I'm loving these sprinkles in the green, orange, black, and purple. with the adorable little pumpkins and little like rainbow candy. This is such a nice little mix. And then we have a third mix here, which has got some eyes, some pearls, some candy corn, and some purple and orange stars and some black sprinkles. These are really, really nice mixes. I wonder if she actually mixed these herself. I wouldn't be surprised, to be honest. At the moment, she's done everything else herself. Wouldn't be surprised. But this is really, really lovely. Okay, what is next? You are, okay. So we have some embellishments, but we also have some lovely film to go inside of your resin crafts. Oh, I'm excited. I think that I've gotten more into Halloween now that I craft so much, because like there's just so many fun things that you can make, you know? Oh my gosh. Okay, so these ones, this is lovely. So we've got some trick or treat ones here, and some like spiders and some little ghosts. And what else do we have here? We've also got some witches and some cats, and we've got some like Nightmare Before Christmas style ones as well. Oh my goodness. And then here we've got some, these are mainly pumpkins. Yeah, pumpkins and cats and a couple of witches. Oh, this is so, so cool. 'Tis the season to be spooky. It is the season. Loving the packaging in this as well. Everything is so nice and shiny. Oh my gosh. Can't get it open though. Okay, so these are red, green, blue, and white little beads. Those aren't the most Halloween-y of colors, but it's all right, we're mixing it up. And we've got some skulls and also a little skeleton hand in there and some crosses. Super duper cool. Okay, what else do we have? Is this, okay, this is the big thing. Ugh. What is the, oh my good lords. This is huge. So we've got a massive cauldron mold. This will be a nice little, like, trinket box. Or not box, but a little trinket bowl kind of thing. Ooh. Okay, and what else is this just like a little mixing cup? No, what is it? What is this? Is this like a sort of like spiral? Maybe for like a spiral staircase or something? I am very intrigued as to what this mold is. It looks like it kind of swirls round, a bit like how a unicorn horn would. We also have another one of these, and I don't know what it is. I can't for the life of me think what that could possibly be. I think that's the instruction booklet. Please let me know what that last mold was. Okay, Craft Kitsune, witchy. Fabulous. Okay. Oh, okay. So you can actually scan this code here for a tutorial. Okay. Okay. I think it's starting to come together to me now. These are mini cauldron molds here. And what's really good is that she has literally written out all the instructions in this little pamphlet here. And you can, of course, scan the code there to get a full tutorial. I'm wondering if this mimics like a witch's hat. It might do that. Obviously, I'm yet to find that out because I will check out the tutorial and see. But yeah, this is brilliant. I think the only thing I would say is that it would be really helpful to have some pictures. I know that there's like one picture here that shows like how the cauldron is assembled, but it might be better to have maybe like a sort of step-by-step pictures kind of thing, maybe rather than like a drawing, but like step by step of like the actual things that have been made. That might be a bit easier, just because I'm somebody who needs pictures. I'm like, show me the pictures and then I could do it, or show me the video and then I can do it. But the great thing is that she has already included the code there, so you can just go ahead and scan that and get the video tutorial. So I suppose in that respect, she's catering for everybody, you know. I am excited to get involved with this. This is going to be a lot of good fun, okay? Going to be lots of spooky crafts coming up for you guys this month. I have a lot on, I'll tell you that from now. Lots of different craft boxes and stuff that are going to be coming to me this month, so this may spill over into November, but you know, those of you who love Halloween, you can just get with it, okay? October and November is going to be spooky season for me. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see what I'm going to be making with this box, then make sure that you definitely do subscribe so that you don't miss the next video. Take care, my darlings, and I will see you all soon. Bye.